What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to download Powertoys from the Microsoft Store. A super useful software. If you like stuff like this, videos like this help you out, maybe subscribe. So what you want to do is go to your Microsoft Store just by typing it in your search bar. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to go over to Search Apps and Games. I'm just going to type in Powertoys and hit enter. And the one you want is this first one here. It's got this little logo. You can hit install from right here, or you can click on it and hit install right here. It's going to download it and then install it for us. Alright, now it's installed. We're going to exit out of the store, go back to our search bar, and we're going to type in Powertoys. We're going to go ahead and click on it. And there we go. Now we can set up all of our cool dev tools. So yeah, if that was helpful, leave a comment, give the video a like, and we'll see you in the next one.